So, I'm Richard Desire. In this video, I will tour you in Rizal Shrine and show you what inside the Rizal Shrine. And let's go inside. In my back is the museum inside the Rizal Shrine. And let's go inside. So, I'm here inside the museum of Rizal Shrine, and you can see at my back the two original clothes of Rizal. And this one is the clothes of Rizal that he used to sleep. And next is the facsimile of the map of the Titan. And the facsimile of the map of Rizal land in Katipunan in Zamboanga del Norte. And this one is also the blueprint of Rizal's sketch of his properties in Talisay, Dapitan City. And this one here is facsimile of diary of Rizal from his arrival in the Philippines to his journey into exile to Dapitan, 26 June to 17 July 1982. You can see. And facsimile of rules of La Liga Filipina. Here in my back are the relatives of Rizal. And this is the original blackboard that Rizal used. And this is the farmer and fisherman. The Rizal once lives and Rizal's doing the farm. So I'm done inside of the museum. So let's go next to the clinic of Rizal. There, let's go. So in my back, this is the clinic of Rizal. This clinic is called Octagonal House. This 8-sided hand served as Rizal's clinic and first dormitory of his pupil. It was also in this hand that Josephine Bracken stayed when she arrived in the Dapitan. Let's go what's inside in the Rizal's clinic. As you can see, here is inside the Rizal clinic. You can see a table, chair, and also some cabinets and a personal bed that made of wood. There's under the personal bed there's a cabinet, and the creativity of this clinic, octagonal 8 side, are so amazing. And let's go to the next hand that called dormitory that Rizal used to serve as to his pupil. Let's go. I'm here in the dormitory hand that Rizal built for his to serve as for his pupil, and below the area they use the area to be a workshop. And let's go inside to see what's inside. As you can see, the stairs made of wood. And inside you can see here they use the materials white, bamboo, and many different things that you can only see in the nature. Is the statue of Rizal and Dr. Pio Valenzuela. This is the statue of the boat Dr. Rizal and Valenzuela. Before you can go to the house of Rizal, as you can see a big tree here, old tree, so very old tree and so very big, and it almost dying. They put some caution sign to prevent some injuries or to prevent some accident happen here. So let's go to Rizal house. So hello guys, I'm here inside of house of Rizal, and I will show you the interior of house of Rizal. Let's go. As you can see, the house of Rizal are surrounded by the nature, and in this area is so very nice to stay because it's cold and you can feel the fresh air of the nature. And let's go inside the house of Rizal. And as you can see, this is the table of Rizal where you can eat, and this is the piano of Rizal, and next one is the cabinet of Rizal, the bedroom of Rizal. His bedroom are wide and big. Go to the other door, and you can see here is the toilet of Rizal where he can poop, and the other exit or entrance in Rizal, you can see down there that's the kitchen of Rizal. And let's go. So this is the kitchen of Rizal, and this kitchen is measured in 14 by 10 feet, and this is the things that Rizal used in cooking. These things are all clay, made of clay. Yan, as you can see, all cups, plate, anything to see is made of clay. And also here where Rizal cook. You see, other things here you can see is not the original, but they improvise it to maintain and show the Rizal. So that's all the inside of the Rizal shrine, and God bless and thank you.